Team number 1.
We had a lot of fun. Though the hills were very many, but we had to finish up. Yeah.
Mainali ndudo kola ku road wa. Kibadde mirungi. Nenkoze 10 kilometers.
Nkoze
10.
We want to thank Kampala that showed up today in terms of coming for this worthy cause of trying to bring some life to a few public schools. We've been able to raise about 948 million shillings, 400 million in cash. The balance of it is in kind, which has been really great. Remember, we had a target of 1 billion shillings. We think by the end of the week, we should be able to get the 1 billion shillings that we need for that purpose.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.